Mom, I'm home. Mom? 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 Where'd everybody go? Man, I'm hungry. Where'd you go? I thought you were grounded.
Oh, I snuck out for a little.
Oh, okay.
I'm just grabbing some food.
Alrighty. Hey, do you know where Mom is? She told me she'd be home by now.
Oh, no clue. I'm gonna order some pizza. Must be closed.
Closed? Can't be closed. It's 12 in the afternoon. On a Tuesday. The TV signal's out too. What's going on, man? There's nobody around. I don't get it. Makes 0 sense whatsoever. Hello? God damn it, Mom, we're hungry! Yeah, Mom got attacked by aliens. She can't make us food, man.